Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the Rampage bug that we found a few weeks back and what we did to solve it. If you recall, the bug is when we use that thermite extension with the Rampage, the whole screen goes black and the ammo disappears. And the reason for this is because we do two different black and white conversions. First, we convert the image from RGB to grayscale, and then from grayscale, we set a threshold saying that if you're within the threshold, turn white. If you're outside of it, turn black. And unfortunately, the red falls short of that threshold and gets turned black automatically. And how we solve this is actually pretty interesting. I went down an avenue of seeing whether or not I can actually just convert the red to white. That way we can sort of run our process as normal. And how we do this is actually we convert the image from RGB to HSV. And HSV stands for hue, saturation, and value. Hue is basically just a number denoting whether it's red, green, blue, cyan. That indicates what color it is. Saturation is how gray an image is, so that spans from 0 to 100. And value is how bright that is. So basically once we convert it to the HSV, we say, hey, if you're within that red sort of range for the hue value, convert it to white. And that's the theory anyways. So when we put this into practice, we see that the number actually gets blacked out, which means the program is working. However, it's getting meshed into the background, which means the program is picking up the red that is in the background as well. So that's not gonna work. But we can use these same concepts to actually try and just isolate the red instead of trying to white it out. We see here that the red actually gets converted to this like turquoise color, so we see whether or not we can just isolate that. So we bring back our RGB values. So we set a threshold for where we want the program to isolate. So we basically just use the color checker, and we found that red is somewhere between 180 and 164. Green is somewhere between 40 and 47, and blue is somewhere between 30 and 40. So we set those as the thresholds of like, hey, if you find anything in this threshold, just keep it, but black everything else out. So when we use that, we see that our program is working successfully, and we just see that the number gets isolated. From there, because of the contrast, we are able to just run our program as normal. The limitation about this is that it's run as a separate process. I think what we can do for maybe future state is when we actually like run that Rampage and use a thermite, little thermite icon sort of pops up there. We can use that as an indicator of, hey, switch the image from RGB to HSV. Today's game is all about showing off the new Rampage code, so it'll just be a lot of Rampage. But stay to the end for a roundup.
Enemy spotted.
Killed an enemy. Good kill.
I am taking fire, friends. Firing. Took out an enemy.
Rings far.
Come on, Witcher. Say hello.
Making contact.
45 seconds.
Contact with the hostile. I am taking fire, friends. Recharging shield. Hostile spotted. Oh
Shooting at me. Pulling the trigger.
no. Using my Phoenix kit.
Shields recharging.
Let's go this way. Target spotted.
Throwing thermite grenade.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Recharging my shields.
Your love is what I need.
Bomb bots are shooting at me. Recharging my shields.
Here I go. Recharging shield. Great. Fire, friends. Broke that enemy shield. Cracked an enemy shield.
Enemy removed. Kramer here.
Good work, you kill leader. Just giving my shields a recharge.
I'm using a Phoenix kit now.
The enemies are shooting at me. Giving my shields a recharge. Target spotted. Recharging shields. In progress. Repairing my damages. Oh no! Squad attacking.
Got my grenade out.
Recharging my shields.
Giving my shields a recharge. 1 minute before the ring.
Another squad is the heads in. The shields recharging.
The enemies are shooting at me. Quick!
Shields
Broke that enemy shield.
Wanna see my singularity? Eyes sharp. The ring's near.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Recharging my shields.
Your love's what I need.
Supply bin there. Here's your birthday present.
Recharging shields.
Shields recharging.
10 seconds. The ring is fairly close.
I'm clear.
Level 4.
I said not to be. Shields recharging.
Got another squad coming in.
I am taking fire, friends.
a pretty good game, and we got second place, but let's see how we did. If we look at the data, we had around a 20% accuracy with a Rampage, and we shot a ton of bullets. With the car, we're rocking just a little under 30%. I feel like these numbers are very consistent, kind of with everything that we've been seeing. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, and I'll catch you at the next one.